What's the meaning of brilliance? Brilliance. Brilliance.
Brilliance. Brilliance. Brilliance refers to the quality of being exceptionally intelligent, talented, or skillful. It is often used to describe individuals who have achieved remarkable success in a particular field, such as art, science, or business. Those who possess brilliance typically possess a range of traits, including creativity, perseverance, and an ability to think outside of the box. The result of being brilliant can be seen in various forms, including groundbreaking discoveries, innovative creations, or exceptional performances. Brilliance often inspires others and has the potential to change the course of history in profound ways.